Okay, bro, you've probably at some point in your life thought to yourself, I want to make $10,000 a month, right? It's just like it feels like it's just a goal that the online community has like stuffed into all of our heads, right? But let's look at some like more simple goals. How do you make $1,500 a month, right? This like I'm not making this yet, uh, but you will totally understand me and you'll say, yeah, this is totally how you do it when I tell you. To make $1,500 a month, you need to make 50 bucks a day. So you just need to make 50 bucks every single day. So now how do you make 50 bucks every single day? What you do is you don't do all of these like goofy business models like yeah you can like okay this is not financial advice but I've been watching a fuck ton of Alex Hormozy. Read one of his books. I'm gonna read the other one too. But bro, you just need to make 50 bucks a day. So what you do to make 50 bucks a day is you literally just make a skill, or not like make a skill, but you get good at a certain thing, which you can make money from. Let's say it's like copywriting. Let's say it's like just like something, right? You get good at something that you can sell for 50 bucks a month online, obviously. And when you make 50 bucks a month, now you're making 1,500 a month. That's pretty fucking good. Like, if you're making 1,500 bucks a month, in most countries, you can literally move out and start living on your own with that money. Like, it's that simple. And now, how do we make $10,000 a month? If you can 7x your income, that may sound absolutely crazy, but you can easily do that, bro. Like, you can easily do that if you start getting better clients, you start to improve your skill. Sorry, I just had to sneeze. But if you just improve your skills, you get better, you get faster, like you get more efficient with doing the thing you're doing, you can make more videos and you can charge more. So if you just make 350 bucks every single day, then you're making $10,500 a month. Let's say you're a video editor. If you get paid 50 bucks a video, that's like that's like pretty that's like average, I'd say. 50 bucks, like it's good for some people and it's very horrible for other people. You should be able to do that if you edit and really try to get good for months in a row. Um, and now, how do you make like 350 with video editing? Like, if you edit shorts, right off the top of my head, I'd say shorts is the way to make money editing. So yeah, bro, go get yourself a skill and do the thing that you've been procrastinating from doing today and have a go, brother.